Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastacia, and today I decided to film this glitter look for you guys. I've just had this glitter lying around for a minute. A friend of mine, shout out to Sans, hooked me up sometime last year, and I've just not had time to use it at all. And just generally, me and glitter, I've just always felt like glitter, fallout, all the stuff, can't deal. And just cleaning up glitter is just a job and a half. But today, rather actually, I came across this video and I was just like, right, that's how you do glitter. And I was like, all right, I'm just gonna try and do it for. I literally just poured water all over my back. On that note, shout out to Imani Beauty Zimbabwe. Girl, you blessed my soul today with these lashes. I am loving them like no joke. I got myself 3 pairs. Let me just grab. So right now I'm wearing, I think they're Ashley. Yes, I'm wearing Ashley, and these are Wildfire. These lashes are thebomb.com. So these are Wildfire, and then she had With. Absolutely love these, and they're super inexpensive as well. That's my daughter in the back. She's awake, struggling to sleep. But yeah, and then I got myself this really cool tiny beauty blender. Well, it's a wonder blender actually, not a beauty blender, but a blender. So it's this, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna wing it and say that name. Oh wow. But anyway, yeah, it's super soft. She told me about this blender and I was just like, I'm not sure. But anyway, I got it today and I can't wait to try it.
Right, let's get right into it. So right now I'm just placing concealer all over my eyelid, prepping it for my eyeshadow application. And never mind my skin, guys, I gave myself a facial pro at home, and so my skin right now, it's flaking, peeling off. There's a whole lot of going on over there, but when I'm done, it's gonna be looking nice and smooth. Using my Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyelid. I'm using my Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just taking that orange shade over there and placing it onto my crease area. Well, it's acting as my transitioning color. Well, today I'm kind of going all crazy. I never do these kind of looks, guys, so I'm actually excited. And now taking this fuchsia pink shade and placing it right on top of that orange shade that I used before. And now I'm taking this purple shade for my Morphe 35P palette and placing it sort of midway, not necessarily in the corner of my eye, but spreading it in the middle section of my eyelid. When you're sitting tight, don't go, please stay here tonight. Let me hold you down.
Does it feel right? Why you so shy? Don't go. Baby, don't leave me tonight. Ain't nobody else. Mama, baby, I send you out the door. Wakandida ukandibulira door. Uno di bata says I de control. Cloud nine, I'm on top of the world. Wakaneta vese toba jira bones. Let me be the one and you can be the boss.
And now I'm taking this Cobalt Blue by Wet n Wild, placing it onto my eyelid, acting as a base for my glitter. Yes. Went right back into my Morphe 35P palette, and I'm taking that deep dark purple and placing it into the corner of my lid just to smoke it out a little bit.
I don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright. Mama, baby, I send you out the alright. Wakandida ukandibulira alright. Uno di bata says I de control. Cloud nine, I'm on top of the world. Wakaneta vese toba jira alright. Let me be the one and you can be the boss.
Now I just took some Wet n Wild glitter primer and placing it onto my lid before I place in my glitter. Now I am not cutting the crease, but I am just adding some silver glitter into my crease area pretty much. So I'm using concealer, acting as a base before I place in this shadow from my Morphe 35C palette. It's like a teal color, and right on top of that teal color I placed some silver glitter. I think it looked alright. Now I'm using my sleek liquid liner to create that wing, and I just always struggle this part. So I use the sleek one, and then I use my Revlon skinny liner because that helps me a lot. And I'm using the Revlon mascara on my lashes. Never wanna see you messed up or pissed off. Cause when you smile, my heart melts and speeds up. Baby girl, kunduraya ne masija. Cause Takura-Kutaura Newe no stickers. That's why I thought maybe I should talk to Jesus. Cause I don't only want you, but I need ya. Then you are like intent. Trust me, that really got me thinking. Now I did my foundation off camera because of time, and now I'm back to show y'all the finished look. That's why I'm constantly calling, ring, ring, calling you, cause I just wanna talk to you. Tell what I need, baby. Takura-Kutaura Newe, even just for a little while. And now I'm going in with the Zaron Effect, the Blackest Black eyeliner. I am loving this liner right now.
I'm liking every picture on Insta. Daydreaming about the date, I'm trying to kiss her. Can't wait for you to meet up with my sister. Cause I know that y'all gon' get along. Promise to be your Batista. To the haters, I say.
Now I'm just smoking out my bottom lash with Truffle from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Now taking some of these pretty pink shades from my Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette and blushing me out, honey. Now I'm going in with my Sleek Cleopatra palette and I am just out here for the highlights.
What it feel like, yeah, babe. When you're skin tight, don't go. Please stay here tonight. Let me hold you down. Cause it feel right, yeah, babe. Why you so shy? Don't go. Baby, don't leave me tonight. Ain't nobody else but my baby. I send you all the door. Wakandida ukandibodida door. Uno di bata says I control. Cloud nine, I'm on top of the.
And I'll put the info on the lip is in the description bar.
Let me be the one and you can be the boss.